Hello everyone. In this video, I will guide you on how to fix the playback error on Amazon Prime Video in Windows. First, we will fix the app through Windows settings. Click on the Start button and type Prime Video. When you see the Amazon Prime Video app in the results, right-click on it and select App Settings. Scroll down to the section with the advanced options. Click on Terminate to fully close the app. This makes sure it is not running in the background. Next, click on Repair and wait for Windows to finish the process. This will try to fix the app without removing your data. If the playback error still appears, click on Reset. This will clear the app data and return it to its default state. If the problem continues, clear the temporary files on your computer. Press the Windows key and R together to open the Run box. Type %10% and press Enter. A folder with temporary files will open. Select all the files and delete them. If some files cannot be removed, skip those and continue. If none of these steps solves the issue, uninstall the app. Open the Start menu again. Right-click on Prime Video and choose Uninstall. After that, open the Microsoft Store, search for Amazon Prime Video, and install it again. Once reinstalled, open the app and test the video to confirm the playback error is resolved. Thanks for watching.